Amazon Bedrock is a cloud-based service for building and scaling generative AI applications, which are capable of generating media such as text, images, and videos in response to prompts. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 6 things about Bedrock in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1. Generative AI relies on large language models that are pre-trained on vast amounts of data known as foundation models or FMs. With Amazon Bedrock, you get easy access to FMs from the top AI startup model providers. You also get exclusive access to the Titan family of foundation models, which are trained in-house by AWS.
Stay tuned, there's more to come.
Number 2. No single model does everything. Amazon Bedrock opens up an array of foundation models accessible via an API. This gives you the flexibility to use the best model for your business use case without managing infrastructure.
Giddy up.
Number 3. With Bedrock's Serverless Platform, you can privately customize FMs with your own data and easily integrate and deploy them in your applications using existing AWS tools and capabilities. Number 4. You get the ability to integrate Amazon SageMaker ML features like experiments to test different models and pipelines, which allows you to manage your FMs at scale.
Howdy, partner.
Number 5. The third-party models hosted on Bedrock can generate text in multiple languages, including Spanish, French, German, and Portuguese. Some models can perform a range of conversational and text processing tasks, while other text-to-image models can generate images, logos, and art. Last but not the least, number 6. Here are some Amazon Bedrock use cases: creating original content, building chatbots to enhance customer experience, summarizing articles, personalizing product recommendations, and more.
Attention!
In summary, Amazon Bedrock is a powerful platform that allows you to use AWS tools that you're familiar with to deploy scalable, reliable, and secure generative AI applications. There you have it. If you want to learn more about generative AI on AWS, check out this video right here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.